Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip, throwing a piece of gravel onto the driveway. So today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider your art. I've thought about this in terms of a way to think about everything in the art, and that might be a bit unfair. So it may be more likely that it's a way of thinking about much of, or the usual, the standard, the default, the most often seen way. So maybe starting there is going to be more functional than trying to think this is absolutely the case in every instance of an expression in our art. So the idea here is to think about another way to describe how everything is done in your art. Again, maybe it's not everything, it's most things, most times, most often. For example, I've been playing with the idea that we step. Number one, we step, then we shift, step two, then we turn as we express. So it's sort of three steps, three parts. Step, shift, and then turn and express, whatever the expression is. I say express because that kind of feels like it fits anything. And I'm not sure that that happens everywhere. And there's a lot more to it, of course, because we don't necessarily start our turn after we've completed our shift, but it's just a way to express it. But anyway, the touchy tip, the homework, if you will, the thing to work on is to think of another sort of simple descriptive of how it's done. Just a couple words, 2 words, 4 words, 6 words, 7 words, something like that. So for example, I was thinking just before I hit record, imagine, inhale, coalesce, and apply as an example. I think of this in terms of cooking, where I'm going to clean, then I'm going to mise en place, then I'm going to cook, then I'm going to serve or plate and serve or something like that. And like whatever I'm cooking, that kind of applies. That's the way to do it. So think of a way to do it. Maybe put yours in the comment. I'd really like to see how you think of it. And notice I'm not using any terms that are specific to the art. Thank you. Enjoy. Pointing your smartphone's camera at these QR codes will lead you to places where you can help. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.